Your doorbell looks like trash and hasn't worked in a while. I'm going to show you a quick and easy fix. A $10 doorbell lighted, 10 bucks. That's all the part costs. Now there's only 3 components to these super easy systems. You don't want the camera with the tech and the Wi-Fi and the internet data plan. You just want the old school doorbell to work again. All right, so I'm going to take off the old busted one and show you a quick tip so you can diagnose if it's just the button or if it's more. You have a low voltage transformer down by your power supply and you can turn that off, but I'm going to show you how to test this. It's a very simple system. If these 2 wires complete the circuit, the door chime should go off. It's as simple as that. Now again, we're working with low voltage here. I've done this before. If you make the connection and your door is chiming, it's just the switch and you're good to go. So yeah, when you make the connection, if your door chime is still going off, it's just the button and you're good to go. That's easy. Now, if it's the chime inside, you have to replace that, or the power supply inside the house. That could be the issue as well. This is what the inside of your chime looks like. If you find this is the problem, this is also a very inexpensive part you can replace yourself. They have the hardwired option like this, or you can change it out to a battery option if you have damaged wires inside your walls. Okay, new door button chime, lighted. 10 bucks. I think this one was a little fancier. It might have been 13 bucks. Impossible to open packaging. Use my Ryobi package cutter. Okay, the top and bottom screw, it doesn't matter if you do white or red. You can do this in any order or sequence. And if you feel more comfortable, you can go back and turn off your power. Again, these are low voltage systems. Now, I have been shocked with low voltage systems, but it's not jarring like the real current in your house. It just kind of wakes you up a little bit. With your shepherd's hook, you want the hook clockwise, so when you tighten it down, it pulls the wire into itself, not unwind itself. Okay, the power's back on. The light is on, so we have current. The new fancy button did come with 2 new mounting screws. The wires literally just get tucked behind them. You don't have to have a junction box or anything like that. You're going to kind of squeeze them to just tuck behind that little housing is all you're going to do. Match the existing holes so you don't need to caulk your siding. Okay, you've done it yourself. Lighted doorbell chime. I knew you could do it.